My name is Emily. I live in New York. Today is my birthday. I am so happy. I wake up early. I smile in bed. I say, "Happy birthday, Emily." I feel excited. I feel fresh. I look outside the window. The sun is bright. The sky is blue. The air feels light. I hear birds singing. It is a sweet sound. I say, "What a nice day." I get out of bed. I stretch my arms. I clap my hands. I feel strong. I go to the bathroom. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I comb my hair. I look in the mirror. I smile again. The wand I say, "It is my day." I open my closet. I choose a pink dress. I love pink. Pink is my favorite. The dress is simple, but it looks pretty. I wear the dress. I look nice. I feel special. I go downstairs. I smell breakfast. I walk to the kitchen. I see my mom. Her name is Sarah. She is cooking. She smiles at me. She says, "Happy birthday, Emily." I run to her. I hug her. Her hug is warm. I say, "Thank you, Mom." My dad walks in. His name is James. He is holding a gift. He looks happy. He says, "Happy birthday, Princess." I laugh. I hug him. He kisses my head. I feel loved. On the table, I see pancakes. I love pancakes. There is honey. There is butter. There are strawberries. I sit at the table. Mom says, "Eat well, Emily." Dad says, "This is your day." I take a bite. The pancake is soft. The strawberry is sweet. I say, "Yummy." They both laugh. After breakfast, my phone rings. It is my best friend. Her name is Olivia. She says, "Happy birthday, Emily." I smile big. I say, "Thank you, Olivia." She says, "Are you ready for your party?" I say, "Yes, I am excited." She says, "I will bring balloons." I say, "Wow, thank you." Another call comes. It is my grandma. Her name is Nancy. She says, "Happy birthday, my sweet girl." I say, "Thank you, Grandma." She says, "I baked a cake for you." I say, "Really? I love you." She laughs. She says, "See you soon." I feel so happy. Many people love me. I feel lucky. I feel blessed. Teaching mail. Tap for the calls. Mom says, "Emily, let's decorate." I clap my hands. I say, "Yes, Mom." We take balloons. We take ribbons. We take lights. We take flowers. Dad helps too. He hangs balloons. He puts up lights. Mom makes the table pretty. I put flowers in a vase. The house looks bright. The house looks happy. I say, "Wow, this is nice." Mom smiles. She says, "It's for you." I hug her again. I hug Dad too. I say, "Thank you both." In the afternoon, I rest. I sit on the sofa. I look at photos. I see my old birthdays. I see myself small. I laugh at my face. I see cakes. I see gifts. I see balloons. I smile. I say, "Time flies fast." Mom comes to me. She says, "Emily, are you ready for guests?" I nod my head. I say, "Yes, I am ready." She says, "Wear your shoes." I put on white shoes. They look cute. They match my dress. I spin around. I say, "Do I look good?" Mom says, "You look beautiful." I feel shy. I say, "Thank you." Soon, the doorbell rings. I run to the door. I open it fast. I see Olivia. She has balloons. She shouts, "Happy birthday." I shout, "Thank you." We hug. We laugh. We jump. Another friend comes. His name is Ethan. He has a gift. He says, "Happy birthday, Emily." I say, "Thanks, Ethan." We high five. More friends come. Their names are Sophia, Noah, Ava, and Liam. They all smile. They all say, "Happy birthday." I feel so loved. I say, "Thank you." Friends, they put gifts on the table. They sit on chairs. They drink juice. They eat cookies. We all talk. We all laugh. Olivia says, "Let's play games." I say, "Yes, let's play." We play music. We dance together. We sing songs. We clap hands. We laugh loud. Ethan says, "Let's play hide and seek." We all agree. I close my eyes. I count to 10. I say, "Ready or not, here I come." I find Sophia. She laughs. I find Noah. He runs fast. We all laugh more. The house is full of fun. The house is full of joy. Mom brings the cake. The cake is big. The cake is white. The cake has pink cream. The cake has candles. It looks so pretty. I smile big. I say, "Wow." Everyone sings, "Happy birthday." I close my eyes. I make a wish. I blow the candles. The candles go out. Everyone claps. I cut the cake. I give the first piece to Mom. I give the next to Dad. They smile. They kiss me. Friends eat cake too. The cake tastes sweet. Everyone says, "Yummy." After cake, I open gifts. Olivia gives me a teddy. It is soft. It is cute. I hug it. I say, "Thank you, Olivia." Ethan gives me a book. It is colorful. It has stories. I say, "Wow, thank you." Sophia gives me a bag. It is pink. It is shiny. I say, "I love it." Noah gives me a watch. It is small. It is pretty. I say, "Thank you, Noah." Ava gives me shoes. They are white. They sparkle. I say, "Thank you, Ava." Liam gives me flowers. They are fresh. They are red. I say, "So nice, Liam." I feel blessed. I feel loved. Evening comes. The lights are bright. Music is soft. We all sit. We all talk. We eat snacks. We drink juice. We laugh again. Grandma comes too. She hugs me. She gives me her cake. It tastes amazing. I say, "I love you, Grandma." She smiles. She says, "I love you too." Liam gives me flowers. They are fresh. They are red. I say, "So nice, Liam." I feel blessed. I feel loved. Evening comes. The lights are bright. Music is soft. We all sit. We all talk. We eat snacks. We drink juice. We laugh again. Grandma comes too. She hugs me. She gives me her cake. It tastes amazing. I say, I love you, Grandma. She smiles. She says, I love you too. Night comes. Friends go home. They say, good night. They say, bye, Emily. I say, bye, friends. Thank you. I feel tired. I feel happy. I sit on my bed. I look at gifts. I look at photos. I smile. I say, this was the best birthday. Mom comes to my room. She kisses my head. She says, good night, Emily. Dad comes too. He hugs me. He says, we love you. I say, I love you. Both. I close my eyes. I sleep. I dream happy dreams. Conclusion. This was my birthday story. It was full of love. It was full of friends. It was full of family. Birthdays are special. Birthdays bring